friends, I am back with brand new video. Today in this video, I will show you how to download Photoshop CC 2021 for free. This Photoshop version is not a trial version. You can use this Photoshop for your whole lifetime without paying any money. So if you want to download Photoshop CC 2021 for free, be sure to watch till the end of the video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can learn many more tips and tricks on regular basis. So with all that being said, let's get into today's video. First thing you have to do to get Photoshop 2021 for free is get into this website. The website name is BTechKD. You can get into this website by searching on Google as BTechKD, or you can easily click the link on the description box which will directly take you to this website. After you get into this website, you have to click on how to get Photoshop 2021 for free. If you click the link on the description box, you will be directly taken to this post. Now after you click on this post, now you have to look here and read some article, and you can see here below you can find a link. Click on the link. Now click that link which I am clicking on this video. After you click on that link, you will be redirected to another website, and you can see there we have got Adobe Photoshop 2021 for free on this website. Now click on that. After you click that, you will be redirected to another page. Now click on download 64-bit. After you click it, it will take some time to download it on your computer. Wait until the process is completed to the end. So you can see our download has started now. It will take 2 to 3 hours depending on your internet speed. Since my internet speed is slow, so it is taking 3-4 hours. Since I have already downloaded it, so I will pause it here. After the downloading process is completed to the end, now you can go into the file where it is downloaded. Since I have downloaded it before and extracted this zip file on my PC, you can see I have got Adobe Photoshop 2020 for free. Now click on setup to install it on your computer. It will take some time to install Photoshop on your computer, but before installation process, make sure that you turn off your internet and firewall protection. Since we are using crack, so we might face any problem if we turn on internet and firewall protection. So after you click on setup file, you can easily install it. Since I have already installed it, so I am not installing it. Now you can see the version is 2021.0.2. It means we have got Photoshop 2021 for free. Now you can see I have already installed it, and now I am opening Photoshop 2021 for free. It is working on my PC, so it means it will easily work on your PC as well, and you can use it for lifetime for free. So if you find this video useful, be sure to give a like, and if you want such more videos, subscribe to my channel.